WhatsApp voice message problem. Hello guys, in this video we talk about how to fix and solve this problem on WhatsApp, so just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this go to apps option, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for WhatsApp. Then when you find WhatsApp, you have to open it. Where is WhatsApp? This is WhatsApp, as you see. Now I go to storage and I click on clear data and click OK. Also I will click on clear cache and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things, I will go to Play Store and update my WhatsApp if it's not updated. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.